Well, here we come inside into your living space. ये रहा आपका kitchen. The kitchen comes with this. This is the master bedroom over here that comes with another. Hello and welcome to Housey. I am Ekta Kapoor and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the project Lakshmi Greens, which is constructed by Darshil Group and is located at Ambegaon, Pune. In today's video, we will be showing you the sample flat. I'll also show you where exactly the project is located and I will tell you all the details about the project. But before that, let me tell you something about Housey. Housey is India's first ever online platform जहां पर listing करते हैं directly developers. Thereby, we connect you directly with the developer. And unlike other listing platforms, your number is not shared with multiple people, so you do not get multiple calls. That's what Housey does for you, and it also gives you bottom price guaranteed and also genuine information. So what exactly are you waiting for? Register yourself very quickly with Housey.com. And now I'm going to tell you about the place where I am. So as you can see, I am standing right outside the project building. The towers are almost ready. This is Darshil Lakshmi Greens. Let's go inside and take a look at the project. The project is going to be constructed in a total land parcel of 0.66 acres. It will have one tower which will have 2 basement plus ground plus 15 floors of 1, 1.5 and 2 BHQ residences. Talking about the location, the project is located at Jambulwadi Road, Dattanagar, Ambegaon. And from here, talking about the connectivity, this is the main road that connects you directly to the sales office. Speaking about the connectivity from here, DMart is just about 1.9 kilometers, Kathraj is just about 2 kilometers, and Bombay-Pune highway is just about 4 kilometers. Talking about the amenities, the project has 15 plus luxurious amenities with the likes of gazebo, senior citizens area, gymnasium, kids play area and many more. This is your sample flat which is of 2 BHK of 763 square feet. And here we come inside the house. The doors have been provided with these rubber strips so that the doors do not bang loudly. As I told you that this place is full of natural light. That means it's going to have good ventilation. That means the doors need to be safe. Well, here we come inside into your living space. This is your living area which comes with this additional space over here which can be also utilized for your dining area. But I must tell you that the kitchen itself is pretty big. पहले living देख लेते हैं और फिर balcony देख लेते हैं. This over here is your balcony that comes with these anti-skid tiles on the flooring, is covered from 3 sides and comes with this iron railing for protection as well. And just like I promised you that the kitchen is very spacious. This area can be utilized for dining, but the kitchen, उसमें अपने आप एक dining table fit हो जाएगी. ये रहा आपका kitchen. The kitchen comes with this straight fitted granite slab right over here that ends at a wash basin. And towards the end of the kitchen is your enclosed dry balcony that comes with a tile drop, anti-skid tiles and a pretty big window for perfect ventilation as well. This over here is the common toilet and washroom that comes with a wash basin right outside, and here is your common toilet and wash area that comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. Now let's move into the kids' bedroom. Now every door of the house has these rubber strips that I told you about outside the house. This is your kids' bedroom area over here that comes with these 2 different niche areas that can be either utilized for a wardrobe or for a study table or for a dresser as well. These pretty big windows allow in maximum ventilation and also good lighting. Comes with an iron railing for protection as well. These windows also come with a mosquito net. So when I'm talking about these small details, why do these details really matter? Well, they matter because when you are buying your dream home, you need to know everything about it. That's exactly what Housey does for you. We make videos for you that include location tours, that include EMI details, pros and cons videos, and everything else that you need to know about your new house. That's what Housey does for you. So what are you waiting for? Quickly book your house with Housey. And let's go and take a look at the master bedroom. This is the master bedroom over here that comes with another cute little personalized balcony. The balcony over here also comes with these anti-skid tiles. It is covered from all three sides and also comes with an railing for protection. And here is the attached toilet and wash to the master bedroom. So everyone, this was the sample flat video of the project The Lakshmi Greens, which is constructed by Darshil Group, located in Ambegaon, Pune. Do not forget to like, comment and share on this video, and stay tuned to Housey for more. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.